Here's how to create a second YouTube channel under the same Google account. No new email needed. Go to youtube.com and click your profile icon in the top right. Click Settings. On the Your Channel page, scroll down to the Your Channels section and click Add or Manage Your Channels. This shows all existing channels linked to your Google account. Click Create a Channel. You will be prompted to add a profile picture. This can be changed later, so do not worry if you do not have one ready yet. Enter your channel name. This does not need to be unique across YouTube, unlike your handle. Next, choose your channel handle, which must be unique across the platform. Pick something that reflects your content or brand and check the availability indicator. If it shows a green tick, the handle is available. Click Create Channel. You can now switch between your channels at any time by clicking your profile icon and selecting Switch Account. Both channels remain under the same Google account, and you can manage each one independently through YouTube Studio. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. On Step by Click.